on to the eulogy reading. The birth and family background of Kevin Ngiti Nyabuto, known as Wanquiz. The late Kevin Ngiti, popularly known as Wanquiz Nyabuto, was born on 7 May 1998 in Segera, Bosoti Ward, Umatoge Chache constituency, Kisii County. He was the beloved son of the late Lucas Nyabuto Ngiti and Mama Jane Kemunto. Kevin was the second born in the family of 5 children. He was a loving brother to Lorna, Winnie, Lucy, and David. He was cherished grandson of the late Agostino Ngiti, the late Salome Obonyo, the late Robert Apiri, and Alice Mbera of Etago, South Mugirango. He was also a dear nephew to Evans Apiri and a cousin to many, including Polycarp, Brian, Brenda, Edmond, Ron, Orina, Vivon, Fideline, Nikos, Cynthia, Velma, Sylvia, Ben, Douglas, Dekla, Boniface, Kwamboka Marube, Albert, George, Hesbon, Clinton, Kelvin, Davis, and others. Angles, John, Yamboki, and others. Aunties, Divina, Annette, late Lynette, Teresia, Lucia, Patricia, and others. Initiation and education. Kevin underwent the Gusii Cultural Rite of Passage in 2007. Making an important milestone in his life. He began his education at Ria Jome Academy 2004 to 2013, where he sat for his Kenya Certificate of Primary Education, KCPE. He later joined Nyangweta SDA High School 2014 to 2017, where he completed his Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education, KCSE. Driven by passion to technical skills, Kevin joined Ngong Training College 2019 to 2020, where he trained as a plant operator. He further advanced his studies between 2021 and 2023 at the same institution, specializing in plant mechanics. Marriage and Christian life. Kevin was a devoted Christian who upheld strong faith and values throughout his life. In November 2021, he met the love of his life, Felista Kerubo. Their union was blessed with a son, Karis Luke Ngiti, now aged 3 years. Kevin was a loving and dedicated father and partner. Occupation and community service. Kevin was a hardworking and multi-talented individual who balanced his technical profession with a vibrant music career. Professionally, he worked as a businessman and later as a plant operator for a Chinese company in 2024. Kevin was also a known Gusii urban musician. From a young age, he demonstrated exceptional talent, rising to fame with his hit song, Amasikani. Through his music, he championed unity, respect, and love within the community. He was deeply involved in community life, often using musical gift to comfort bereaved families during funerals, to entertain at weddings. He also participated in political mobilization, supporting leaders such as Governor Simba Arati and aspiring MP Ogari Jr. The sickness and demise. Kevin lived a healthy and active life until 8 March 2026, when he was suddenly fell sick. He first sought treatment at Omorembe Medical Center, but his condition, characterized by severe stomach pain and vomiting, did not improve. On 11th March 2026, he was referred to Tabaka Mission Hospital for further medical attention. Although the operation was conducted and he was placed under oxygen support in the recovery ward, his condition did not stabilize. Sadly, Kevin passed away on 13th March 2026 at 7:38 p.m. May his soul rest in peace, and my condolences to the family. Thank you.